Hi everyone, today I'm going to talk about zemlin's parameters. So, in 1998, a speech scientist named Zemlin created 6 specific acoustic parameters of voice production that contribute to a normal, clear vocal quality. These parameters demonstrate the multidimensional nature of voice quality and the interdependence of fundamental frequency, intensity, and quality. The parameters include maximum frequency range, speaking fundamental frequency, maximum phonation time, maximum intensity of various fundamental frequency levels, periodicity of vibration, and noise generated by turbulent airflow. So for maximum phonation time, that just means that the longest period of time that an individual can sustain a vowel in one breath. According to Zemlin's parameters, an adult should be able to sustain a vowel between 15 to 25 seconds. My partner Janice was able to sustain a vowel for around 19.513 seconds. We got this by recording her sustained volume while saying, ah. Janice's maximum phonation time is definitely within the normal range. Maximum frequency range is when a normal voice is flexible in pitch during conversation. In order to calculate this, Janice recorded herself reading the Rainbow Passage. On Pratt, we found her maximum frequency range by clicking pulses and then getting the voice report. We then subtracted her highest frequency pitch from her lowest frequency pitch to get 498.9 hertz. We then doubled her mean pitch to get her maximum frequency, and it is within the normal range of the maximum frequency range. So the speaking fundamental frequency is just the average rate of vocal fold vibration during conversation. Children are around 300 hertz, adult females are around 200 hertz, and adult males are around 100 hertz. To calculate Janice's speaking fundamental frequency, she recorded herself on Pratt reading the Rainbow Passage. Once the recording was complete, we went to the spectrum menu on Pratt and selected View Spectral Slice, and clicked on the first format. The red numbers show her fundamental frequency range is 251.60. Her fundamental frequency range is slightly above the average fundamental frequency of an adult female. Maximum intensity at various fundamental frequency levels just means that a healthy speaker should be able to vary his or her amplitude level by a minimum of 20 to 30 decibels in the mid-range of frequency. To calculate this, Janice read a part of the Rainbow Passage to get these results. We got the minimum intensity by going into Pratt and clicked on the intensity icon, and then clicked on Get Minimal Intensity. Janice's minimum intensity is 9.667 decibels, and her maximum frequency is 82.667 decibels. This means the mean intensity was 71.60. Periodicity of vocal fold vibrations is when the parameter is reflected acoustically in jitter. Janice recorded herself using the sustained vowel of ah to get her periodicity of vibration. Janice's jitter was 0.224%, and we got this by using the local jitter in Pratt. According to our results, Janice would appear to have some hoarseness in her voice. So noise generated by turbulent airflow occurs when a random distribution of turbulent airflow is present. Turbulent airflow is generated when an obstacle interferes with vocal fold vibration, which then causes the air to flow not as laminar through the glottis. To get the noise generated by turbulent airflow, Janice read a part from the Rainbow Passage. Then, on Pratt, we looked at the harmonics to noise ratio, and it gave us 12.590 decibels. According to Ferrand, 2013, page 188, there is a wide range of what is considered a normal harmonics to noise ratio. Ferrand shows a table of various researchers' findings that range from 7.86 decibels to 19.1 decibels in adult females that makes Janice H&R within normal limits. Thanks for listening, and I hope you learned some about Zemlin's parameters.